Looking for reliable dumpster rental in Desoto, Texas? Look no further than American AF Dumpster Rentals. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanout, American AF Dumpster Rentals has you covered. No matter the size of your project, we have a dumpster that fits your needs. Our flexible rental options ensure you get the right solution without breaking the bank. At American AF Dumpster Rentals, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch customer service. Our team is here to help you choose the right dumpster for your specific needs. Our prompt delivery and pickup services and competitive pricing make us the top choice for efficient waste management solutions in Desoto and surrounding areas. Our user-friendly online booking system makes booking a dumpster rental in Desoto, Texas, a breeze. We've designed it for your convenience, making the process straightforward and hassle-free. When you choose American AF Dumpster Rentals, you're choosing a reliable partner. We're committed to providing dependable service and quality dumpsters, helping you keep your project site clean and organized. Looking for a hassle-free solution? Call us today at 469-224-5114 or visit us online at www.americanafdumpster.com. Dumpster Rental Desoto TX. American AF Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Desoto, Texas.